In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the Google Drive download quota exceeded error so you can get your files without any headaches. This is a common issue, especially with large or popular files that many people are trying to download at the same time. When that happens, Google temporarily limits access and you see a warning saying the download quota has been exceeded. The good news is there are a couple of simple ways to work around this, and I'll walk through them step by step. First, you'll want to add the shared file to your own Google Drive. Start by opening the shared Google Drive link in your browser. Instead of clicking the big download button right away, look for the option to add it to your drive. Usually, you'll see an icon that looks like a drive logo with a plus sign, or a menu option that says Add Shortcut to Drive or Add to My Drive. Click that. What this does is attach the shared file to your own drive space, so you can work with it as if it were one of your own files. Once the file is in your drive, go to drive.google.com and make sure you're signed in with the same Google account. On the left, click on My Drive and find the file you just added. It may be in the root of My Drive or inside a folder you picked, so check there. When you see the file, don't open it yet. Instead, right-click on it or use the three-dot menu next to the file name and choose the option that says Make a Copy. By making a copy, you're creating a new version of that file that belongs entirely to your account, rather than just being a shared link that's hitting the quota limit. Google treats this copied version differently, which usually lets you bypass the download quota exceeded restriction. After the copy is created, you'll see a new file appear in the same location, often with copy of added to the beginning of the file name. This is the version you want to use. Now right-click on the copied file or open the menu next to it and select Download. Your browser should start downloading this copy directly from your own drive. If the download begins normally, you're all set. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this might take a bit of time, so be patient and let it finish. You can then move or rename the downloaded file on your computer as needed. Sometimes, especially if the file is extremely popular or very large, even this method might still run into limits. In that case, there's one more simple option: wait. Google's download quota is usually time-based and it often resets after about 24 hours. So if adding the file to your drive, making a copy, and downloading the copy still doesn't work, just give it some time and try again the next day. To quickly recap, the main idea is to avoid downloading directly from the overloaded shared link. Instead, add the file to your own Google Drive, create a copy under your account, and download that copied version. And if all else fails, wait roughly a day and retry. Follow these steps and you should be able to get around the Google Drive download quota exceeded error without too much trouble.